str data to dict object to JSON str. Next, dict object to JSON file to dict. So these four lanes are done. Understood? Fine. Students, when you go to it, in data science level, when you go to it, see my dear students, I'll just take up JSON star.json, star.json, some JSON files I'm having with me. So here I'm having just I'm opening in data science level what I'm going to tell at the level of Python. And in the further, this is the one I'm going to open it. KVR Python for data science, pandas exclusive, data frame and etc. I'll try to open ma. Here you try to see. So here I will write it. Python for data science, pandas exclusive. There I'm going to data frame. Data sets you take it. There is one JSON file. Are you seeing the JSON file ma? Data. Are you seeing the the curly brace? That is what file it is? JSON source file. What it contains, just I am opening it, ma. Please observe it. This is the one you see. What is this is known as curly brace open. What is the duration key? What is this curly brace open and then these are all called different type of values. These are different type of values. One key contains what? This key contains what? Another key is there. There is a dict in dict representation. This is like that it is written. Duration. After that, see the number of values. Then this is closing of the duration or not? Pulse rate, pulse rate. Actually, this is a hospitalized data. The patient's duration of workouts and the pulse rate of that heartbeat and the maximum calories burn. When you do more workouts, some calories will burn in your body or not? That case study it is. Pulse rate, pulse rate. So it is going to have a pulse is another key. Inside the key, there are lot of values are there. Next called what? Maximum pulse. Maximum pulse. Next you come out of that. You see that calories burn. This is a calories burn. See how much big data it is. Such a big data is represented maximum pulse, calories burn. End of what? Beginning. Are you following? Which data it is? CSV file data. CSV file data. If you want to read out this data, also you can read out. If you want to read out, also you can read out. This data you can read out. Go to this Python program. Here I will write it. In this case, you try to carry this. You try to carry this data. I'll try to take up new program here. There I am writing. Python program here. I will write it. This entire location I will bring it. Wherever it might be the location, nothing to bother about it. Here I am writing it. What I am writing there, ma? Data dot, what is that? JSON wherever it is, not a problem. I will take the complete path of it, complete path of that. So data here, data JSON dot. We are printing the data here. Try to observe it here. One dot. Of course, this is not necessary to post it, but I'm just showing an example here. Go to the place, mom. A very big output is coming. You just try to see here what is coming. Observe it. What is happening? Dict object data. Duration is coming. Plus what is coming next? Here you come. What is coming? Duration is coming here. What is the next? Pulse. Pulse. And next max pulse. And next calories. Calories. Like this is printed. If you want, we can write it. See students, this is a K. We are getting key comma value. I will write it. Comma V. I will write it. V. I will write it. Dot what? Items. I will say. Items. I will say. Here I will write it. 1 minute you follow me. Here I will write it. K. I will write it. K. I will write it. Backslash N. I will write it here. V. I will write it. V. I will write it V. I'll say one more V. So just try to execute. Try to execute. What is happening? Maximum pulse. In the next line, what is coming? Complete data is coming. This is also called key comma values or not? Those things, if you want to do it, those things, if you want to do it, if you follow me, I will write it this way also. What is the type of this, ma? Just to see, once you see, what is this type? Type is okay. This a type of V, I will write it once. Type of V, I will write it once. Just a matter of what is this? Duration, whose values also what? Dictate. Whose pulse also called what? Dictate. Maximum pulse values also dictate. Salary is also what? Dictate. That a dictate data, once again, I will print students. Let it be key only. Let it be key only. Here I will write it. Let it be key only, but I will write it. But I'll write it. Tell me. For, comma, value, comma, key, comma, key, comma, what is this? Val, in what? V dot items. V dot items. Print of what? I will write it. I will write it. Double quotes, backslash T. Here I will write it. Dot format of what? Dot format of what? Key, comma, value. Key, comma, value. So try to follow me. See, students, what is happening? See that perfect output I am printing. Whatever is there in the same manner. Calories is called what? Key. For that internally, these are all called values or not? These are all called values. I think you are following me. Yes. These are all calories related values. And above calories, if you go for it, above calories, if you go for it, what is available, mom? What is available here? Max pulse. Max pulse is again in terms contains a dictionary. Next is called what again? You see, pulse. Pulse also contain a dictionary key value. Interns contains a dictionary. Next is called what again? Duration. Duration related data also printing here. Understood? So dictionary in dictionary mechanism I just mentioned here. Of course, when I come to data science level, suppose see students, some of the places, some of the recording not done because there is a matter of none is represented in some places. But a none, I want to find out. I want to clean up such none data here. Somewhere else there is a none is there, students. None. Have you seen none data anywhere else? Definitely there is some none is there, ma. That none I will find out. There is a none. How to clean up that none data? There are crores and millions of values are there. How to find the none data? That is called data cleaning and dealing with missing data. I'll tell you that data analytics and analysis model in the class. So that kind of values I'll tell you, students. Here also one more none is there. How many values are containing none? I will find out and I will substitute some value over there. When I go to data science level, I will enter into that. Are you following me? So that part I will take care in the data science level. Once again, JSON file, CSV files are very important in data science level. Once again, that will be revisited. But this is a main part. There, I'll tell you how to read the data. How we read the data in pandas? Read underscore CSV now. How do you read the data there? Read underscore JSON. How to read the data? Read underscore JSON. And I'll specify the path of the JSON file. I'll get the data frame and I'll print the data. Easy. Okay. No? So these are very important. JSON files, CSV files are very important. So anyhow, I'm going to make it clear. And with this, what we understood, working with what are the file functions? JSON.loads, JSON.dump, JSON.load off, and examples we did. And this will be carry forwarded in the further. Now I'm going to take up tomorrow. Working with OS based operation is quite interesting and more important also. Next, after completion of tomorrow, we will go forward Python database communication. Python with database communication, I will explain. That is Python with Oracle communication, Python with MySQL communication. So I already said to you 1 week back only, install Oracle and MySQL in your laptops. And don't expect KVR sir will tell about Oracle installation in the class. To install Oracle, it will take half an hour, but installation process, it will continue because that percentage, 20%, 10% like that, it will take a lot of time to install. Okay, now if you want, I will give you the link for you in the class which I am going to come to the day after tomorrow. I will tell you that link for installing Oracle. Okay, so take care. First, you practice daily programs. Read notes daily, morning to evening. Once you read, you don't read a problem. Read morning to evening once. So I'll stop the class and tomorrow I'll go for what? Working with OS based operations. Take care. All the best. Online students, don't miss tomorrow class. If any doubts are there, you hold on. I'll talk to you.